Keto sandwich bread recipe using coconut flour and eggs. Conquering keto cravings, fluffy coconut flour sandwich bread, just 5 ingredients. Craving a satisfying sandwich on your keto journey? Ditch the store-bought, carb-laden options and whip up this game-changing coconut flour and egg bread. With just 5 simple ingredients, you'll be savoring fluffy, flavorful slices that perfectly hold your favorite fillings. This recipe is keto-friendly. Each slice boasts under 2 grams of net carbs, making it ideal for staying in ketosis. Grain-free and gluten-free, perfect for those with dietary restrictions or sensitivities. Packed with protein, eggs and coconut flour offer a satisfying protein boost to keep you feeling full. Incredibly versatile, enjoy toasted with avocado and bacon, piled high with deli meats and veggies, or slathered with nut butter for a sweet treat. Ingredients: makes 8 to 10 slices. 6 large eggs. Half cup, 60 grams, coconut flour. 2 tablespoons, 30 grams, melted butter or coconut oil. 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. 1/4 teaspoon salt. Optional additions: 1/4 cup, 30 grams, almond flour or sunflower seed flour. For added texture 1 tablespoon sweetener, erythritol, monk fruit, etc. ½ teaspoon cinnamon or nutmeg. 1/4 cup chopped nuts or seeds. Instructions: 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and grease a small loaf pan, 8 by 4 inches. 2. Separate the eggs. In a large bowl, whisk the egg whites until stiff peaks form. Set aside. 3. In a separate bowl, whisk together the egg yolks, coconut flour, melted butter, baking powder, and salt. If using, add any optional dry ingredients like almond flour, sweetener, or spices. 4. Gently fold the egg whites into the yolk mixture until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, or the bread will become tough. 5. Pour the batter into the prepared loaf pan and smooth the top. Sprinkle with additional nuts or seeds, if desired. 6. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. 7. Let the bread cool in the pan for 10 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. This will prevent the bread from tearing. 8. Slice and enjoy. Your keto-friendly coconut flour sandwich bread is ready to be piled high with your favorite fillings. Tips: for a moister bread, use coconut milk instead of water. If the batter seems too thick, add a tablespoon or 2 of water or additional melted butter. Store leftover bread in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. You can also freeze the bread for longer storage. With its fluffy texture, satisfying flavor, and impressive nutritional profile, this coconut flour and egg bread is sure to become a staple in your keto kitchen. So go forth, conquer your cravings, and build the perfect keto sandwich.